Hello everyone, this is Simpy Kiwi. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you can get, and also click on the notification bell so you can get notifications on when I upload a new video. Again, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I wanted to try a new manicure, and I saw this manicure, which is a quilted hollow manicure by So Guess What 11, and this is what inspired me to do my own manicure. I'm not gonna lie to you, the struggle is real with putting the placements of these strips, but it is so well worth it. And today I want to show you just how I've done this manicure and what I've included in the manicure, what items I actually used. Of course, you're gonna need some striping tape. And I've got little stuff all over it because I've been trying to do this manicure. But this is the striping tape I use. You can use any color that you choose. Then I have my base coat. Of course, I use the Orly Epics. And this is in the color Close Up. I did my base color in the Salon Perfects. And it is Don't Give a Glam, which is a pretty gray color. And then my top color is by Color Club, and it is Trick of the Trade. It is Trick of the Trade. Then I would, on top of that, put a clear coat so it can get between the grooves, which is Wet and Wild, just a clear color. You can use whatever you choose. And then to do a fast dry top coat would be my Seche Feet. So what I did, like I said, I did my base color, which is 2 colors of the Salon Perfect Don't Give a Glam. I did 2 coats of that. And with this manicure, you do have to make sure that your base color is completely dry before you even put the strips on. Otherwise your strips will come up, you know, once you pull your strips up, your polish will come up. So it has to be completely dry. And I did 4 strips coming this way and then 3 coming this way, and depending on how long your nail is, because some of my nails I was able to do 4 going one direction and 4 going the other direction. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my top coat, which is the Trick of the Trade from Color Club. And I'm going to go slowly because I want to make sure I get in the grooves. And that's one coat. And here's the second coat. And just make sure, like I said, get in the grooves. And you have to also have a tweezer to be able to pull the strips up. Make sure you pull the last ones that you actually applied, which are going to be these. And you're going to take them up while they're still wet. Pull it up 2 at the same time. One doesn't want to come off my tweezer. Okay, and then here's the other one. And see, it's starting to pull up the others, and I didn't mean for it to, but hey, things happen. I'm just having a time with these little strips. Getting all over the place. Alright, now I hope this doesn't mess this up. Oh, I was doing so good. Okay, that one came up. This one came on up. These little strips are the devil, I tell you. Okay. Alright, and let me get this side pulled up. And there you go. And let's try the other one. Two coats. This is the first. Like I said, make sure you go slowly so you can get down in the creases and the crevices. And then put on a second coat. Okay. Alright, and then get your tweezers. Make sure you pull off the last set that you put on. And like I said, trying to get these off is just it is just something else. So that's why I told you it's not an easy process, but the end result is worth it. I just love it, and I'm glad I came across this manicure. If I can get these little strips off my fingers. It's just a mess, but you will enjoy the manicure once you do it. But like I said, I had to go ahead and do all of them so this video wouldn't be so long, and just show you basically what I did. And I'm just putting the other strips on the side here. But what I would suggest is to pre-cut your strips like I did. And I've got polish everywhere, but I'm going to clean up. But go ahead and cut your strips beforehand. That will make it so much easier than trying to do them as you go. Because of course one hand you're going to have out and you have done, you know, and then the other one you're going to have to do. But I'm going to put my Wet n Wild Clear on top very slowly so I can get in the crevices, and then I'm going to top it off with Sèche Vite so that it will dry faster. But please let me know what you think of this manicure. Again, it's the young lady that did the manicure that I saw on YouTube was So Guess What 11, and I love this manicure. I really love it. It is beautiful. I'm going to put all the items that I use in the description box, and let me know in the comments what you think. Until next time, smooches.